Okay, we're doing it.
Is she dead? Is this a sick joke?
I don't think so. Girlie.
Sister, don't cry. Don't cry. Oh, my best friend. Look at your noodles. Look at your noodles. You're like a baby. Oh. She's smiling.
Is that what she's doing?
You're smiling. It's because you're happy to see me. Where's my angel? I miss you. Why'd you come down? Why did you come down, Chunks? Is it because you're getting chunks? I'm a happy woman. Oh,
What happens if you put her down?
I'm here. I know. I'm gonna put you down. Look at your little angel face. Are you crying? Are you crying? Oh, you missed me, I know. Are you gonna roll? Baby? She's asking why I'm back. She's looking at you for answers. Are you gonna roll? Are you gonna roll? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Come on, get up here! Get up here! Come here! Come here! Hi, hi, hi. I miss you. I miss you, babies. I miss you. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh, she's smiling.
That's a smile?
I should have never left you. My only best friend.
And I will feel the same when Max comes home.